All right, guys, one thing that a lot of people overlook is seasonal preparedness with their machine. So click the link below or give us a call. Let us hook you up with what you need for your machine. Whether you have a UTV, ATV, snowmobile, something to think about is getting it ready for the season you're going into. UTVs and ATV guys, a lot of people park them for the winter. If you're doing that, some things I might recommend: battery tenders to keep that battery nice and full, little trickle charger that you can plug it in and put it away for the winter, or things like gas stabilizers. So this one in particular is a 5-in-1 product. It gives you a couple octane points, but it also stabilizes your fuel for up to 2 years. And then if you're a sled guy and you want to bring it out and you want to go through it, make sure everything's nice and greased, make sure your track tension's there, the ice scrapers are in good condition, your carbides, things of that nature. So seasonal prep is very important. If you're a UTV or ATV guy and you want to use your machine, is your plow in working condition, your winch, your enclosure, your heater, you want to throw tracks on it. We can hook you up with all that. Just click the link below. Let us know how we can help.
Run.